back to the store.
Yeah. Oh shit. This guy's running like nuts here. Out to there. Probably because they left the window open.
Yeah, he had to close his window.
Oh shit. It's blue skies too, eh?
Yeah.
Blue skies and belting rain.
Yeah. There's a big line of black right out the window straight up.
Yeah.
It's not raining here.
It looks like we're driving out of the rain. Holy shit.
Yep, that's it.
That was weird. And it hasn't actually rained here.
Nope.
That is fucking weird.
No, there's splats.
I know, but it belted with rain at our house.
Yeah.
And it barely rained at the other end of our street.
Yeah.
That is weird. That means
Here, look, it's raining up there.
Holy shit. I wonder if that'll show up.
I don't know. Here it comes again.
Yeah.
But it got soaked up there.
Yeah. It's soaked up there and not here. That is cool. Now we're going to probably head out of it if we head this way.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's all dry here now, but it's still rainy, but wow, that is cool. I've never really had experienced that kind of localized rain. Other than that time we were at the back of Proline where we saw it sweep in.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't go that way. It's belting with rain up there. He doesn't know it, eh?
No.
Like he's just gonna think it started raining on him, but it's not. Look, it's belting with rain over there too. Over there. Like right up here. Ooh. Hey, we came out under the bridge and it was raining, and it wasn't raining on the other side of the bridge.
That's weird.
Yeah. Now we know where the edge is.